General Motors is a part of my life. I've been with General Motors for 42 years. They got me right out of high school. I was a co-op student. I've worked most of my life in plants and plant environments like the one we're sitting in right now.
That's Gerald Johnson, Executive Vice President of Global Manufacturing and Sustainability at General Motors. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. 4 decades and counting. Johnson has been an integral part of GM. He's responsible for almost 95,000 employees, representing more than 118 sites on 4 continents in 13 countries. Automotive News visited GM's General Assembly plant in Flint to talk with Johnson about GM's electric future.
There's no better time than now to be a part of what General Motors is doing. We believe that we're well positioned for this future, this transformation of EV, and this continuation of internal combustion engine production.
As General Motors ramps up electric vehicle production, the automaker is working to show employees that they have a role in the EV future. The automaker sees a similar size employee base needed to build EVs as gasoline-powered vehicles.
It is a fantastic time to be a part of General Motors because we're innovating a new future.
At the same time, the company plans to add electric vehicle capacity by repurposing existing plants, including turning some into EV-only factories and adding EVs alongside gasoline vehicle assembly lines at others. With this electric transition, Johnson says GM is focusing on 2 main things. 1, utilizing assets. 2, bringing all employees on the transition.
And what we're doing here is trying to provide a safe, trying to take into consideration the well-being, the development, and the performance of all the people who help make all our vehicles come together and all of our components come together.
Johnson says GM has the engineering capacity to build both ICE vehicles and EVs, and will continue to do both throughout this decade. And between now and 2025, Johnson says GM has a goal of producing 1 million EV units. As the auto industry continues to transition, Johnson is ready for the future.
It's an amazing time to be a part of it. First of all, I love what I do. I love who I do it with, who I do it for. And to be on the cusp of it, yeah, I relish the moment.
Thanks so much, Johnson, for taking the time to speak with us. To learn more on Johnson's Q&A and GM's future, visit autonews.com. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great night, and I'll see you all next time.